Borderline personality disorder, BPD, is associated with distinct neurophysiological patterns in the brain, particularly in systems responsible for emotional regulation, impulse control, and social behavior. Core brain structures implicated in the pathophysiology of BPD include the amygdala, the prefrontal cortex, and the hippocampus. In individuals with BPD, the amygdala is often hyperreactive, especially to emotional stimuli, leading to heightened sensitivity to perceived threats and stress. At the same time, there is typically reduced activity in the dorsolateral and ventromedial prefrontal cortex, which are involved in cognitive control and the inhibition of emotional responses. This diminished regulation contributes to difficulties with impulse control, emotional dysregulation, and reactive behaviors. The hippocampus, which plays a central role in memory processing and stress regulation, is also often reduced in volume, likely as a result of early trauma and chronic stress commonly found in the histories of those with BPD. On a neurochemical level, abnormalities are frequently observed in the serotonergic system, particularly in pathways involved in aggression and impulse regulation. Dysregulation of dopamine and norepinephrine systems may also contribute to mood instability and impaired processing of social cues. BPD develops through a complex interplay of genetic vulnerability, neurobiological factors, and psychological trauma. Individuals with BPD often exhibit heightened emotional sensitivity due to an overactive amygdala and diminished top-down regulation from the prefrontal cortex, making it harder to manage emotional responses. Many have histories of emotional neglect, inconsistent attachment, or experiences of dominance and control in childhood, all of which disrupt the development of a stable sense of self and interpersonal functioning. The risk is especially high for emotionally sensitive children raised in environments where their feelings are invalidated or dismissed, hindering the formation of healthy coping mechanisms and contributing to long-term emotional instability and relational difficulties. By examining a person's actions, you can begin to understand why they acted that way, because their brain operates differently under the influence of specific conditions and experiences, shaping unique patterns of perception and response to the world.